Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can change Pinterest board cover. So first of all, you will need to launch enter the board that you wanted to change the cover for. Then at the board page, go for the tap at this 3 horizontal dots to your top right, open the edit board menu, and in here make sure to set the board cover among using some of the pins you have saved into it. If you want to set the avatar for your board using the image or picture that you have in your gallery, just upload it to this board, which we had a separate video on, so make sure to check it out and choose it from the list. So let's say I'll go with this image. You can crop it, by the way, if you want to. And here I have my new board avatar or board profile picture. So let me quickly show you that how you can upload some custom image if you want to. So here I have mine. I'll just add it as the new board pin, and then simply proceed as we previously did. Just tap at the board cover and set this picture. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.